Hello, welcome to Magical Maiden's Reviews. I'm Magical Maiden, and today I have a product from BB Craft to review. So please sit back and get ready to see a wonderful product from BB Craft. But before we get started, I want to remind you to make sure that you're subscribed and that you click that notification bell so that you're notified when I upload my newest content. As well as please check out my review playlist for all the other recent reviews I did with a lot of BB Crafts products, so you don't want to miss that. I am wearing one of them. It came with a kit. It was these crescent moons, and then another with these dangly rhinestones that you could attach to earrings. And yes, I'm wearing them. They came in gold and silver, and I did a review on that, and I did a review on these wonderful 5-piece stackable labradorite and labradorite bracelet, as well as I did a review on this beautiful natural rose quartz facial massage roller, and just tons of other things. So you definitely want to check out my review playlist. Also, I want to remind you, and I'm going to remind you again before this video ends, to look below this video in the description box when you're done watching this video, to check out all the links to the link to the product that I'm about to show you in this review, as well as the link to BB Craft and the link to BB Craft's YouTube program. That's right, you too can get some free beautiful products of your choice to pick from BB Crafts if you have 100 or more subscribers. So you definitely want to check that out. You fill out the form and a representative from BB Craft will get in contact with you, and you're on your way to reviewing some beautiful products that you get to keep for free. So definitely you don't want to forget that, as well as I have a discount code. That's right, I have a 10% off your total order with Magical 10. That's MAGIKAL, the number 10. Magical 10 discount code for 10% off will be also below with all those links in the description box. And I'll remind you again when this video is coming to a close. So let's begin. Okay, so today what I have for you is some beautiful 5-piece black rondelle bead chain, and we're going to go through that. So it's a 5-piece. You get 5 of these packets, 5 packets, just for one price plus my 10% off discount code. And you can make necklaces with all of these. Now this is really pretty. So I'm just going to put my glasses on so I could even see it even better. These are very, very pretty. I love them. So if you don't want to sit there and string a bunch of beads up to make yourself a nice chain, then you could get a 5-piece and you can have as much chain as you want. So if you make jewelry for yourself, or you make it to give as a gift, or if you make it to sell, this is a great purchase. And so I'm just going to tell you a little bit about it. So this is rondelle glass beads on a chain with iron eye pin, unwelded silver color plated, and it's black. And it's a 92-piece strand with 5 pieces of this long, okay? It's 39.3 inches long. So I don't know if you're getting that, but there it is. So what you do is when you're crafting, you could either make one nice long necklace, or you can make a choker, or you could do something like what I have on. I have a 3-piece. You make a choker, a medium, and then a longer, and then an even longer, because you're getting 5 packages of this. So this is great. And all you need is some jump rings, a clasp, and your jewelry working tools, and you're on your way to making some beautiful jewelry, a beautiful necklace. You can make a bracelet, a bunch of bracelets to just have stacked around your wrist. And with this beautiful shape of this bead, now I'm going to try to see if you're getting it close up. See, it's like a diamond cut, the rondelle black beads. Isn't that nice? So it has like a shine when you move it around. So I'm going to make a long one, and then I'm going to make a medium one and then a short one when I do create that. And this will also be great for my beautiful labradorite pendant that I got from BB Craft. I'm going to attach it to the chain. Look at this. Now the quality is very good. Every time I look at BB Craft's products, so most of you may have seen me use that in my jewelry tutorial playlist, all my videos. I like to use BB Craft's products. Most of the time it's from BB Craft. I use products from other people, but my favorite products are usually coming from BB Craft because they're of good quality, and they have so much to choose from. They have from already made jewelry, like these beautiful natural labradorite and labradorite bracelet, to just so many other different things that, like a face roller. So it's not just jewelry supplies or craft supplies. And I have pendulums and so many other things that I've gotten from them. But they have jump rings, they have chains, and I love this chain. And again, 5 packs. It'll come in a pack like this, and you don't have to cut it. You just kind of open it like this so that you could reuse it. And now I went through all of them. They're good quality, nothing's loose. Okay, so here it is. It's a nice long piece. And look at that. I love the cut of these beads. They're just so pretty. And the quality is very, very good. I highly recommend BB Crafts products. And I do that with a clear conscience because I love them. I use them a lot. In almost all of my crafts, you're going to see me using some part of it, whether it be their jewelry working tools, or their jump rings, or their chain, or what have you. And again, they also have ready-made jewelry, as well as if you want to make that, but they also have stuff for so many other different crafts. And just, you got to check out BB Crafts. It's just great. So yes, I love this 5-piece. 5 packages. You can't go wrong, right? 5. So you could create so much. You're going to be seeing me wearing this. You're going to be checking out my jewelry tutorial playlist because I'm going to be making necklaces with these. And you're going to see what I create. Also, like I said, this would make a beautiful stackable bracelet. You could just get one of these strands, and I'm just going to show you. Look how pretty that would look. Has a bracelet, like a stackable. You can make a bunch of them. Look. So it just doesn't have to be a necklace. So yeah, I'm excited, and I love that you can get 5 pieces in one. So if you got 2 orders, you'd have 10. And it's endless. So yes, and I got the black because black goes with everything, as you know. And I love it. I am excited to do a craft with this, and like I said, it's of great quality as always with BB Crafts product. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and if you also, please share this review and other reviews from BB Craft if you know anybody that'd be interested in all these beautiful products from BB Craft. And please remember to be subscribed if you're not subscribed, and click that notification bell, and check out my review playlist so that you, in case you missed all those other reviews, because I've gotten pendulums, this beautiful, like I said, rose quartz massage, this labradorite, the earring kit, these danglies, these stackables, this beautiful chain, everything. So check out my review playlist for all my past reviews of BB Crafts products that I just did recently. And please remember to look below this video in the description box for not only that 10% Magical 10, the number 10 MAGICAL, AL. So don't forget to look below this video in the description box for the discount code for 10% off, that Magical 10, MAGICAL, the number 10, as well as the link to this product on BB Craft, and also the BB Craft link for the site, as well as that YouTube program link will be there. You don't want to miss that. If you have 100 subscribers or more, you too can get these beautiful products and review them for free. So why wouldn't you want to do that? So go ahead and check it all out, and remember my discount code, and remember to share this and like And you know, a friend may be interested in all these wonderful products from BB Craft. Like I said, they're of good quality. I love them. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my videos. Bye.